Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to check your streak on Duolingo. Now when you open the Duolingo app, you will see up here something like a fire with a number in front of it. If the number is 0, it means that you have 0 streaks. If the number is 1, 2, 3 or anything, that means you have a 1 streak, 2, 3 or whatever number you have there. Now to check exactly the streak for the month, like how many times you have kept the streak, you just click on it and you'll see the calendar right there. As you can see, I had a streak on the 13th, but I didn't do lesson 14th and 15th, and I used the streak freeze on 14th and 15th. Now on 27th and 28th, I had streak. Today is the 29th. I can choose to do a lesson and um add a 1 day streak again to my already 2 day streak, making it a 3 day streak. And that's it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.